What's up everybody, this is Madi from Madi's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Breadman 2-pound professional bread maker. Stay tuned. Okay, so today I got my package for a home bread maker machine. This is the Breadman 2-pound professional bread maker. So let me go ahead and open up the box. As you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the box. And I'm going to open this up, and right here at the top you get your binder-like manual and your recipe. This side says the recipe side, the other side is the manual. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and put that aside, and right here is the bread maker. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of these, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we got it out of the box, I'm going to go ahead and remove this plastic so you can see it up close and personal. As you can see right here, it's very lightweight. This is your start-stop button. Here's your manuals, and this is your timer. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. Just going to remove this plastic. Inside here, you'll get a measuring cup and a measuring spoon, along with your paddle that goes at the bottom to mix your bread. There's an extra little plastic thing in here that actually goes on top of this little spoon to make it an actual measuring cup. This is a little plastic that you put on the spoon. And here's your measuring cup. And here is your bread pan. You just pull it up out here. Very lightweight. And at the bottom is the locking mechanism. And here is your warmer right here. So when you want to put this back in, you just push it down and it automatically locks. Okay, and up here at the top, this is where you could put your nuts, your berries, or whatever you want to put inside your bread. So for instance, if you want walnut bread, you would put your walnuts here. It has a setting to where while it's mixing, it will drop it in. Very lightweight, not so heavy, not that big, doesn't take up much cabinet space. This does take a standard 110 plug. So if you're interested, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and hit the little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.